I am Anantalakshmi. I am going to tell about the E.M.F equation of a DC generator. Let psi be the flux per pole in Weber, Z be the total number of armature conductors, P be the number of poles, A be the number of parallel paths in which Z number of conductors are divided, A equal to 2 for wave wound and A equal to P for lap wound, and N be the armature speed in RPM. E.g. be the E.M.F generated in any one of the parallel path. So the E.M.F gets induced in the conductor based on the Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. That is, whenever the conductor cuts the flux, E.M.F gets induced in the conductor. So the average value of E.M.F induced in each conductor is given as E is equal to d psi by dt. So consider for one revolution of conductor. So in one revolution of the conductor will cut a total flux produced by all the poles, which is given as P into psi. So the time required to complete one revolution is 60 by n seconds. So the average value of the E.M.F which is being induced in one conductor is given as E is equal to d psi by dt. So substituting the d psi as P into psi and dt as 60 by n. So rewriting in the expression E is equal to P psi n by 60. Now conductors in one parallel path are always connected in series. So as there are total number of Z number of conductors with A parallel paths, so number of conductors in each parallel path is Z by A. So the E.M.F remains same across all the parallel paths. So the total E.M.F generated is nothing but psi P n by 60 into Z by A volts. So this is the E.M.F expression for a DC generator. Suppose if the armature is a lap wound, then the expression reduces as A equal to P. So Eg will be equal to psi Z n by 60. Suppose if the armature is of wave wound, then A is equal to 2. Therefore, Eg is equal to psi P Z n by 120. So consider a simple problem to solve. So a 4-pole lap wound DC generator has 440 conductors and it has a useful flux per pole as 0.07 Weber per pole. So calculate the E.M.F generated if it rotates with a speed of 900 rpm with the help of prime mover. So calculate the E.M.F generator if the lap wound armature is replaced with wave wound armature. So first of all, note down the given data for the solution. So P equal to 4 as there are 4 poles and Z equal to 440 as there are 440 conductors, and psi is equal to 0.07 Webers. As useful flux is given as 0.07 Weber per pole, and the speed with which DC generator is rotated is given as 900 rpm. So N is equal to 900. So from the expression derived E.M.F equation, Eg is nothing but equal to psi Z n by 60 into P by A. So for a lap wound, A is equal to P. So as number of poles are 4, so substituting in the expression Eg is equal to psi Z n by 60. So the Eg value is nothing but 0.07 into 440 into 900 by 60. So you are going to get for a lap wound the E.M.F generated is 462. Suppose if it is a armature is of wave wound, so A is equal to 2. So in this case the E.M.F generated is psi P Z n by 120. So 0.07 into 4 into 440 into 900 by 120. So the generated E.M.F in case of wave wound is 924 volts. So this is how the EMF equation of a DC generator can be solved for a simple problem for a lap wound armature or a wave wound armature. Thank you.